Hello, dear students. So, November 23 exam is over, and now let us build up a super duper confident mindset for the upcoming 24, wherein we aspire to achieve our dreams. All my final students should become CA and CMA, and those who are preparing for inter, May 24 inter exam should be over. Now, common queries are coming. So, here I am sharing my screen, and the best I can give from the new scheme I'm sharing it with all of you based on I'm not going to cover up everything about the new scheme, but for CA inter students, whatever is very important. So now from May 24, the new scheme is mandatory. The old will get discontinued. And definitely, please wait. Institute will give you the guidance on how you will be converted into new scheme, right? And then the validity of from the time you convert into new scheme, it will be for 5 years. Yeah, whether you are in inter and final, so your registration validity will automatically get converted. Now in the new syllabus you have 6 subjects only, right? So you have advanced accounting, covering up all your AS and all, then you have law, and then you have direct tax and indirect tax for 50-50 marks. Until now it was 60 and 40 like that, but now it is for 50 and 50 marks. In group 2 you have costing, you have audit, and you have FM and SM. Now the common queries, suppose ma'am we have completed group 1 in the old syllabus, now you all have written in November 23, and if you clear your group 1, now in group 2 will we have to write costing again? The answer is costing will be exempt for the next 3 attempts, provided you attempt all the exam. Exemption rule is same, 60 and above marks, and for 3 attempts it is valid. So if you clear now group 1, in your group 2 you will have to write only 2 papers, that is audit, FM and SM. Now no negative marking. This is also so many of Sarthi videos below that the students are commenting. So I said, let me make it clear that every exam is going to have 30 marks MCQs based on the case studies. Now, let me tell you, dear students, how is going to be the module of the case study. Let us wait. Institute is taking great efforts, and ICI.org, all the FAQs related to new schemes are given in a very wonderful way. In a flowchart, you can check it. Still, if you have any query, you need the help of mentor, you can comment below, or you can join the Telegram to clear your doubts. Now, very important is agreed that every paper is going to have 30 marks MCQs based on case study. Now, case study is not something very big ki kaise karenge. Case study is just like a problem. Okay, so as how do you solve a 8 or 10 marks question like salary, like house property? That way, based on case study, if you solve that income, gross salary and deduction and whatever, and then MCQ answers will be there in your answer. Are you getting what I'm saying? And it's a promise that we will do a lot of practice for the case study based MCQs for taxation, for costing. These are my core topics. So IDT, DT and costing, definitely we will take care. But there is no negative marking. So if your MCQ goes wrong, okay, coming back to that sheet, there is no negative marking. Okay, and 70 marks is your descriptive paper like routine. Okay, how we are writing every time, 7 marks, 8 marks, that combination we will come to know when the MTP papers are released. Okay, yeah. And one common question is self-paced modules are there after you clear your both groups of inter, and when you are registering for your final, that time you have to write the self-paced modules. And articleship is also reduced to 2 years, and after that only you will get the attempt for your final. Okay, so these are some of the very important pointers I felt to be discussed with all of you, and there is so much in the new scheme. If we go in detail, it will take hours. Not required. Whatever is your doubt, get it cleared, or watch the institute's website also, where you can get all the answers. This is like repeatedly students are asking. Now the mindset for you all students, dear, if you have written one group, don't wait for the result and start preparing for your group 2 as if institute is taking exam twice a year, May and November. If they take 4 times, then one more exam in February, then May, then September, then in November, like that, then what will you prepare? So don't study thoda thoda, study quality good. Exactly 2 months are there for your results. So prepare super well, and when the results are out, you will be very clear कि कैसे उसको करना है, written practice, mock test and all, and you will clear your group 2 also in May. 1% chance if you don't clear your group 1, again you can prepare 2 groups properly and write. So there is no escape, कोई excuse नहीं है, and you cannot write any excuse in the final exam. Correct or no? So start your preparation. If you have written both the groups and you are sitting relaxed, so important, dear students, those who are working at the top anywhere, any industry, any business, you see lot of leadership skills, communication skills and all are required. So for that, skill enhancer series are there in the YouTube CA Dipti Chheda YouTube playlist. Watch that. India level trainers are there who will help you how to prepare your resume, how to self introduce yourself, and so many other aspects, right? So whether it is offline class or online class, one very important mantra is take part. If you are very good at, your confidence will get boosted genuinely. If something wrong is done, it's your own place to learn. You will correct it so that you don't make that mistake second time when you go in the outer world, right? First your parents, second we teachers are always there to teach. So take, enhance your skills in all the ways along with degree, and when you have these skills, it makes a beautiful bridge and you go so high and you can achieve all your aspired dreams, right? Thank you so much. Wish you very all the best. Bye bye.